Hello guys, in this video we will see fatal error, fail to initialize NVAPI in Counter-Strike. Then how to fix it. Well, cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of update. NVIDIA. Graphics. Drivers. Content. This error often points to an issue with your NVIDIA graphics card software interface. NVAPI. The first and most critical step is to ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the official NVIDIA website or use the GeForce Experience application to download and install the latest drivers specifically for your model. Choose the custom installation option and select Perform a clean installation if available, as this helps clear any potentially corrupt existing driver files. Reboot your computer after the installation is complete before attempting to launch Counter-Strike again. Step. Perform a clean reinstallation of NVIDIA drivers content. If simply updating the drivers doesn't resolve the issue, a more thorough clean reinstallation is necessary. First, you install your current NVIDIA drivers using a utility like Display Driver Uninstaller do in Windows Safe Mod to completely remove all remnants. Once you install, restart your in normal mode. Then download the latest recommended drivers from the official NVIDIA website. During installation, select Custom and ensure the Perform a Clean Installation checkbox is ticked. This process ensures no leftover or corrupted driver files interfere with NVAPI initialization. Reboot your system once the installation is finished. Step. Verify Counter-Strike game files integrity. Content. The fail to initialize NVAPI error can sometimes stem from corrupted or missing game files rather than purely a driver problem to address. This, open your Steam client, navigate to your library, right-click on Counter-Strike and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click on to verify integrity of game files. Steam will then check all game files against its servers and re-download any that are corrupted or missing. This ensures the game itself is in a proper state to interact with NVAPI. After the verification is complete, try launching the game. Step. Check for conflicting software and overlays. Content. Certain background applications, especially other game overlays like Discord, Spox, Game Bar, or even NVIDIA's own in-game overlay or security software antivirus firewalls can sometimes conflict with NVAPI initialization. Try temporarily disabling any third-party overlays before launching Counter-Strike. Additionally, temporarily disable your antivirus software to see if it's interfering. You can also try adding Counter-Strike and its executable secs to your antivirus whitelist or exceptions list. If the issue is resolved after disabling a specific program, consider keeping it disabled when playing or adjusting its settings. Step. Reset NVIDIA control panel settings. Content. Customize settings or corrupted profile within the NVIDIA control panel can occasionally lead to NVAPI errors. To rule this out, right-click on your desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel. In the left-hand pane, navigate to Management Settings. At the top right of this section, click on the Restore button for both global settings and program settings to revert all settings to their default values. Apply these changes and then restart your computer. This ensures that no custom graphics profiles or tweaked settings are inadvertently causing conflicts with NVAPI during the game's startup process.